Hi friends, now I am going to discuss about the concept of HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP is nothing but it's a horizontal lookup, and coming to its definition, it is used to search the value from the topmost row of the table and retrieves the corresponding value from the specified row. And in this video, we will look the concept of HLOOKUP with an example. So coming to this, in this we have a sales of different products that are product A, product B, and product C and product D of different months. And here I want to retrieve the sales of product B in the month of March using HLOOKUP. So coming to the formula, coming to the syntax of HLOOKUP is equals to HLOOKUP and here we have to select the lookup value, and I'll be selecting the lookup value as product B. And next we have to select the entire table of it, and coming to next we have to select the row index number. Actually we want the sales in the month of March, so coming to the index, it is in the fourth index, so we have to select the 4. Okay, and here we have to select the match mode. So in this case we will be using the exact match, so the exact match is equals to false, and we will be closing the brackets now, and the output is here. So we can see the sales of product B in the month of March is 75. So we have got the output as 75, and this is about HLOOKUP, and thank you.